guys! Happy Friday! So, Friday na ngayon guys. And, kakaalis lang ni Craig's galing dito sa bahay, mag-lunch. And then, bumalik na naman siya ulit sa office. Pero, maaga siyang uuwi today kasi aalis kami mamaya. Magda-drive kami ng 2 oras papunta sa Launceston. So, magpe-prepare na ako ng aming dadalhin today kasi hindi kami matutulog dito. So, kailangan ko magdala ng mga gagamitin namin doon. Damit, good for one night lang. Kasi may kukunin nga kami. Kukunin namin yung aming mirror and also mag-ano na din kami doon guys. Para magpa-share na din kasi Saturday naman. So, alis kami may hopefully makauwi siya ng 4:30 para makaalis kami ng mas maaga kasi babiyahe kami ng 2 oras and then tomorrow again babiyahe kami ng another 2 hours. Ginawa lang namin yun para ma-break yung 4 hours drive. So yun guys, magre-ready lang ako ng dadalhin para mamaya tapos na din ako magsampay ng first load ng aking labahan and then meron pa ako ulit and meron pa pero hindi ko na siya uubusin paglaba today. Iiwan ko na naman yung iba. So kukunin ko yung stand para kita ko kayo. I mean, maano ko kayo. May ilagay ko lang kayo sa stand. So, madilim. Nanonood ako actually ng Bible. Natapos ko na yung John. Ang ganda kasi kung ano ka, pag hindi mo maintindihan magbasa ng Bible, i-search mo na lang siya. Nasa YouTube na sila guys. So, yung una kong pinanood, yung John. So, buong book ng John or yung buong chapter ng John na ano ko siya, napanood ko siya sa TV. So, parang nagbabasa ka rin ng Bible, guys. And then, ngayon yung Acts na naman yung aking pinapanood. Pero, nag-stop muna ako kasi kailangan kong magligpit ng aming dadalhin. So, ayun guys. Ready lang tayo. Konti lang naman. Siguro ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa bag na to. Para dito yung aming tablet and mga damit namin. Ito lang lagi yung binibitbit ko. So, konti lang naman. Nagdadala lang ako ng isang pants ni Craig. And then, isang damit din. So, baka dalhin ko itong blue pants niya. So, ito na lang. Isa. Kasi may suot naman siya ngayon. Yun na yung gagamitin niya mamaya. Ako rin. Ito na lang din siguro susutin ko. Magja-jacket na lang ako. And socks and kanyang tawag ito brief or undies. So isang undies lang and isang socks. Tapos dadalan ko siya ng isang t-shirt. So dadalhin natin ito kasi magpapashower kami doon. Madilim. So yun siya. So, yun guys, sinusubukan ko na talagang makapag-upload ng video guys na everyday. So, tinatry ko naman. Alam mo, madali lang naman mag-ano ng video. Pero, yung edit time kasi guys, yung pag-i-edit mo pa. So, minsan hindi mo matatapos ng ano yan, ng madalian. Kasi, ini-edit ko pa eh. Okay lang, madali lang magkuha ng mga video, ganyan. Pero, yung pag i-edit, yun yung matagal. Kaya, pasensya kayo kung hindi agad-agad ako makapag-upload everyday. Pero, susubukan ko talaga na makapag-upload ako everyday. Or, minsan mag-upload ako sa shorts. Kasi, mabilis lang mag-upload sa short. Diba? Kasi, konting video lang. So, yun guys. And, yeah, magdadala na din ako ng dalhin ko na din tong jacket niya. Maganda kasi ito pag malamig. So, malamig kasi doon. So, dadalhin ko na lang din ito. Yun lang. Siguro dadalhin ko yung maliit na luggage para hindi ako mahirapan. So, dadalhin ko na lang yung maliit na luggage. Or dadalhan natin siya ng isa pang t-shirt. Kung hindi niya man magamit, okay lang. Kasi magdi-dinner kami, baka magdumulot siya. Okay. So yun guys, i-arrange ko lang to. And vlog ulit ako mamaya. Vlog naman anyway ako sa inyo. hanggang sa hotel namin. So, yan yung akin. Yan sa kanya. Ito naman yung akin. Mag-arrange ako next time na ayusin ko kasi para malaman ko kung saan yung hindi ko na masyadong ginagamit. Wala tayo ng undies. Hindi ko na fold itong mga undies ko. Kasi last time, pagkatapos ko naglaba, natanggal ko na siya, nilagay ko na agad. Hindi ko na siya So, yan. Then, damit. Kasi malamig. So, gusto ko din maging comfortable. I want to be comfortable pag so, dadalhin ko na lang ito. Ito. And so, black. Kung magbibihis pa ako mamaya. Kung magbibihis tayo mamaya. So, ayan. Yan na yung susuotin ko bukas. And then, para mamaya, magbibihis pa lang ako. Ngayon, dadalhin ko yung jacket ko na makapal. Dadalhin ko yun. Tapos gawa tayo ng aming pangkal. Dadalhin ko kanyang suklay ni Craig. Then, ano pa ba? Gel. So, maybe toothbrush na lang din. Toothbrush or ano lang nilagay. And what else? Siguro, kasi marami akong nabili-fish nung last time nung pumunta kami, nung nag-hotel kami sa Sydney. So, yun na lang yung mga toothbrush na dadalhin ko. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito guys. May mga libreng toothbrush na kami dito. So, ito na yung dadalhin ko. Kasi may mga toothpaste na siya. Sa hotel yung galing. Kaya very handy guys. Pag may mga ganito kayo sa hotel nyo, dalhin nyo na. Then, may pang shave din. Then, may cream. So, dali tayo ng isa. Then, may suklay din siya. So, dala din tayo ng isa. O, diba? Then, may mga sabon pa yan. Ito yung mga sabon. Then, may salt pa nga ito eh. So, diba? Yan yung sa hotel namin sa Sydney. So, dali natin. Diba? Hindi ko na kailangan magdala ng toothbrush namin talaga. Kasi pwede na din to after gamit, itapon mo na siya. So yan, dyan ko na lang ilalagay. Kasi may add pa yan siya mamaya. So iiwan ko lang yan dyan. Na guys, tapos na. So yan lang. And then, to susutin namin mamaya na mga jacket. Then yung shoes ko. So it's all ready. Okay. So bye guys.
You got any plate?
No, I already did that earlier. Hoy! Your face. It's my vlog. Hi vlog. It's my face or my vlog. Bye. It's very cold. Hi guys, we are in the car now. And it's Friday. I cannot see the date.
28th today.
June 28.
Whoa.
And today it's already 4:56 in the evening. Yeah. And we're driving for 2 hours. Hour and a half only. Okay. Sorry, babe. But oh yeah, I didn't show them. I told them I'll show them later because the house that I'm tell you on my last vlog that it's for sale. Yeah, they have a sign, and for sure they're gonna be sold faster.
I reckon, yeah, for that price.
And that house is nice too. It's just they don't have a big backyard.
No,
they don't have
any backyard.
Yeah. Who is it?
That's Kirsten from work.
Did you know? Did they know you? So
Well,
he's living here.
Yeah, he lives back up the road there.
Ah, do you know that?
Yeah, I know her. Yep.
I mean, do you know they know that we work? You
Yes.
live here?
Yeah, I think they just found out recently.
Okay. So guys, it's very cold.
12 degrees, babe.
Oh, it's not that real, but I feel cold. I think because
What's your seat on, babe?
because it's raining. Yeah, but I can warm my seat. This car is really pretty, guys, because I can warm my seat if it's cold, and then my seat will be warm, as in warm. It's like a bed heater. So yummy. And it's dark now already, love. I don't know what time it will be, but anyway, see you again later, guys. Bye. Ay, sorry, my love. Ang bilis, guys. Madilim agad, guys. Woo! Gabi na. Pinaandar ko yung light ng aking cellphone. Bye-bye! We're here na, guys. Nandito na din kami finally. And now it's already 6:26. We leave the house for
It's about 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Yeah. And we're here. And not tomorrow again. Another 2 hours. Dito na kami, guys. Kakain na din kami ng dinner. I'm so hungry. Pupunta na kami sa aming hotel.
Maybe crispy skin salmon tonight, babe.
Ooh, doon na kami kakain, guys. I'm excited. Bye. Guys, ang ganda ng church. Night.
Tell, babe.
This is our hotel. Wow, my vibe surprised me with a new nice hotel. We're here. And open sesame. Ooh, amazing. Amazing hotel. Bye-bye. Level 3.
Let's go up.
We're already here. We're always going to the hotel. Dito na kami, guys. Hi, Beth.
Bye, babe.
Lagay lang namin yung gamit and then magdi-dinner na kami. I'm excited to eat. Oh.
Fancy door.
Very nice. I don't know what's number is that.
312.
312 there. I like their paintings. Fire exit.
I like the doors. They're pretty cool.
Fancy one.
Grey is not too bad, is it?
So we are in the left side. We're here. Yep. Go. Ta-da. Open the. Oh, I can see the. Ooh. So I will go straight. What's this? Room tour. So guys, we're going to do a room tour.
Another one.
So another, ano.
No. It's not so
Whoa! Wow, it's very fancy.
bad. Yeah, look at that.
Ooh,
You
hello
like the concrete
Yeah, look at.
on the roof?
Yeah, it's the design. And I like the curtain. No, I don't like the shape of the curtain. But yeah, this is our room.
I like
Pakita ko. I'll show you the bed. Meron kaming ano dito. Ang tawag niyan, orasan. And that's the bed. It's big. And meron couch doon. Ooh, we have a little bit of view.
Over there, babe. Bogue's Brewery. That's where they make the beer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, James Bogue's.
So, kita ko na lang tomorrow morning. Bugs berries. So, I like
Are
it.
you cold?
A little bit. So, meron kami dyan. We're going to eat, so later we'll be...
nice to walk into it.
Yep, and has a TV there. Huh? It's not a vlog. So, this is the vlog. now. And we have here, small. Ang ganda. Barang kuris-kuris lang man to, oy, babe. It's just like, that's it.
You don't like it?
It's okay. And we have coffee and tea. I'm gonna have a green tea later. I'm gonna have green tea. So, yun guys. And ito yung, ano. Ay! And ito yung, what is toilet?
What's in that one?
Toilet. They have a black sink and a big mirror.
Wow. There's a shower, babe. Shower for two.
Wow, it's fancy.
Shower and I can wash your boat.
Yeah, I like their shower, my love.
Yeah.
And that's the
Oh, yeah.
toilet.
So they're actually just sort of, I don't mind those tiles. Those
Yeah,
are
it's
really
actually nice. It's almost similar with our tiles in the
Yeah,
house.
It's a bit darker.
Yeah.
I don't mind
So
that.
nice.
It's pretty cool how they got a light up the back and the
Yeah.
fan up
Oh,
there. is a
really?
good idea too.
Oh, that's nice. It's nice. Black Francisco. And yeah. So we were going to have dinner now. Earlier.
Nicolai was cool, babe.
Have a dinner now, guys. Babe.
Yeah, babe.
Go.
Cheers, babe. I love you too, babe. Or you can just drink, it's up to you.
I love you. Dinner.
No, it's alright, babe. Hurry.
Look at the green, babe.
Yeah.
It's actually very nice.
Yeah, look at that one. That's got lots. Hello, babe.
I'll do it for you too. That's it, what? The light is very good. Where's Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night, babe.